Full-length illumination. 2 ultra-bright LEDs and an integrated optical fiber illuminate the full circumference of the collar without a loss of brightness, providing 360 degrees visibility while on night walks, hikes, camping, and at the dog park. Quick simple recharging. The NiteDog collar stays illuminated for 6 hours and 30 minutes on a single charge, recharging via micro USB in just 1 hour and 15 minutes to make daily use simple and practical. RUFF TOUGH WATER RESISTANCE. This light-up collar will keep shining through inclement weather, rough housing, and splashing around, allowing your furry friend to stay seen and safe through it all. High-quality metal buckle. The integrated premium hardware features an adjustable belt buckle-style closure made of brushed black metal for easy access, sleek style, and lasting strength. Fits lap dogs to big dogs. From Chihuahuas to Great Danes, there's a NiteDog collar for your pup. Small. 12 to 16, 30.5 cm to 40.6 cm, medium. 16 to 20, 40.6 cm to 50.8 cm, large. 20 to 24, 50.8 cm to 61 cm, extra large. 24 to 28, 61 cm to 71 cm. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality, but make sure you buy it one size smaller. I ordered a size medium for my Australian Shepherd and his head can easily come out of it. But I definitely will buy a new one.